The organisation I work for is the University of Glasgow. We've been around since 1451, an educational establishment that has done some groundbreaking work over the years. My own work is focused enterprise service management, things IT service desks, IT training, assistive technology training, but mainly our enterprise service management. The unique challenges for higher education, I think, are the diversity. Staff and students needed to know how the organisation was structured to be able to consume services, to get help. We have 35,000 plus students, 10,000 plus staff. We have research, we have teaching, so there's, all human life is here. You're dealing with people across all walks of life. So all of that adds to the complexity. As a university, we are cutting edge in so many areas, and IT has to keep up with that. If I look back on when we ran a lot of our own systems in-house, you're responsible for the upkeep of that system. When you move into working with a partner, when you move into SaaS solutions, now okay, the responsibility for that doesn't go away, but you know that it's been looked after by someone that's their focus, is to look after that. The benefits of working with Ivanti for us have been very much a strong partnership. We started working with a global company, but we feel has got a local reach, or a local presence, if I can put it that way. They have built a very good partnership with the company themselves. So that means, let's say we do have a seat at the table. We feel that we can help with the direction of the product, and that that speaks volumes. A great, very strong user community as well. The Ivanti community, for me, is one of the strongest parts of our relationship with Ivanti. The clue's in the name. It's a community. You get time with your peers who, more often than not, have the same challenges that you have. We get together, we share ideas, we provide solutions to each other. The strength in helping each other to find solutions to these challenges. That's what community's about.